In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install 360 Total Security on your Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to find 360 Total Security and install it on your Windows computer, you need to go ahead and just search for 360 Total Security using any browser. So I'll go here and you can see we have our 360 Total Security official website here. Go ahead and click on it. You can either get the free antivirus or get the premium one. If you click on this, it will go ahead and download the Windows version, and as you can see, it has been downloaded here. So if you click on the download file and click on this folder, now it'll be taken to the file setup. You can see it is here. To install it, go ahead and just double click on it to start the installation. Click on yes, and the installation file will start running on your computer. Give it some few seconds to gather the installation files. Then you'll be taken to this installation wizard or window where you can now proceed to install your 360 Total Security antivirus by clicking on install. As you can see, the installation is on. Give it some few seconds for this to be done. As you can see, it is in progress here. Now towards the end, you should see 360 Total Security app for shortcut will appear on your computer. However, the installation is still on, so don't close this window. And finally here, you'll get this notice informing you how 360 Total Security uses your personal data. And this can be found under the privacy policy. Go ahead and click on continue. And here you're told you must restart your system to complete the reinstallation. So you need to go ahead and click on restart, and this will restart your computer before this antivirus can finally start running on your computer effectively. Once this is done, now you'll be able to see a shortcut for this down below here. This indicates that your computer is being protected. So that's how you can install 360 Total Security on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.